What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a super nice 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan Voyager. This is the touring bike built from Kawasaki, and it is pretty nice. Bike's in excellent condition. I looked it over. I didn't really see any damage to point out to you guys. This thing's been very well taken care of. It's got a two-tone blue and black, the gold pinstripe. It's a 1700cc V-twin. Got the lower fairings, and it's got a little vent that'll open up. It's got highway pegs installed. It's got floorboards for the driver and passenger. It's got hard lockable bags and the matching tour pack. Bike's got cruise control. It's got ABS brakes. You got the stereo system. Everything you need for a nice touring bike. And it is fixed fairing. Makes for a nice ride on the highway, especially in windy conditions. Nice tall windscreen, got the spot lamps. Brand new front Michelin Commander 2 tire. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly. Gave it a professional detail. It's got the heel toe shifter. All the chrome looks good on the bike. It's got a 6-speed transmission. Nice comfy touring seat. And the bike's got 9,060 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can check out the rest of our inventory as well. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.